shoes. Oh no. Pete
Stepped in a large puddle.
Mud.
Poop!
Mud.
Pete stepped in a big pile of poop.
Poop!
Mud.
It's poop!
No, it's mud. Mud.
Poop.
Mud.
Who and Skylar are going to sleep together tonight?
It doesn't start with a P, it starts with an M.
Oh, okay.
Called mud.
Oh, mud. All right. So he didn't step in any poop at all?
Shoes.
Did he not step in any poop at all?
No,
No.
that would be bad.
Brown.
Did
Cardoso
he
stepped in poop the other day.
Baby shoes.
Ew.
I got my baby
He
shoes.
kept walking. He kept walking along and singing his song, Groovy. I love my
Brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh, no. Put
Stuffed
in a bucket of water. And all the brown and all the blue
And all the red.
were washed away.
and all the poop.
No,
Yeah.
mud.
Oh, mud.
Poop.
Poop.
Mud.
Poop.
Mud.
Poop.
Mud.
Poop.
Mud.
Okay, mud.
Poop.
What color did it turn its shoes again? White.
Why?
White.
But now they were wet.
Truthfully, they'd sort of gray, right? I think.
Yes.
Yeah, but now they're
He
white.
cried, goodness no.
Goodness no.
He kept walking young and
And singing his song.
Rock and roll.
Roll. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Squeak, squeak, squeak.
The moral of Pete's stories is, no matter what you step in, keep walking young and singing your song. Because it's all good.
Yes, it is. That was some good
And now
reading
it's
there,
time
guys.
for Frankie's